Hello everyone, welcome to Unite Educations. Today we will discuss about the current affairs of 8th of July 2020 which would be beneficial for your upcoming competitive exams. All the questions in this video lecture are in English language only, though I would be teaching you the same questions in layman language or in little bit of Hindi. The another video will be published in Hindi version for the same questions. You can follow us on various social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram and Telegram. A Telegram discussion group is also has been created for you people to discuss about your doubts therein. All the links are provided in the description box below. Now let's start our video. Our first question of the day is, according to the COVID-19 and tourism, assessing the economic consequences published by UNCTAD, the world tourism sector could lose how much money? Let's check the answer. That is option A, 1.2 trillion US dollars. This much loss would have to suffer the world tourism sector. Now let's see some extra information. The United Nations Conference on Trade and Development is the full form of UNCTAD. The headquarters of UNCTAD are in Geneva, Switzerland, and the capital of Switzerland is Bern. Bern is the capital of Switzerland. Next question is, which insurance company associated with BOB, Bank of Baroda Financial Services Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Bank of Baroda, to offer a group insurance cover? Let's check the answer. That is option C, India First Life Insurance Company Limited. So this company and BOB, these two will provide a group insurance cover. In extra information, we can see that the cover will provide financial support to the BOB, Bank of Baroda credit card customers upon their hospitalization or on COVID-19 diagnosis. The MD and CEO, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Bank of Baroda is Rajiv Chadha. Pardon, that's Sanjeev Chadha. Sanjeev Chadha is the MD and CEO of Bank of Baroda and Director of India First Life Insurance Company Limited is RM Vishakha. RM Vishakha is the name of director of this company. Our next question is, which country has reported a suspected case of bubonic plague on 5th of July 2020? Bubonic plague, also named as Black Death, which in the Europe it almost finished the 50% population of the Europe. So the answer is option C, that is China. So this first case of bubonic plague is found in China, though it is contained only the one or two cases are there, and it is in the Inner Mongolia part of China, which is called Bianur. Bianur is the name of that place. Which US private equity giant has agreed to acquire a 54% stake in Mumbai-based drug manufacturer JB Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals for approximately 3100 crore rupees? Let's see the answer. That is option D, KKR Group. KKR Group is a US based company which has decided to get a stake of 54% in a Mumbai based company. Next question is, who has inaugurated unique urban forest at the office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India in New Delhi? Let's check the answer. That is option B, Prakash Javadekar. Prakash Javadekar has inaugurated this unique urban forest. The offices held by the Prakash Javadekar ji are: first is Environment, Forest and Climate Change Ministry. Second one is Information and Broadcasting Ministry. Third one is Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises Ministry. These are the three ministries which are held by Prakash Javadekar ji. Now let's see some extra information about CAG, that is CAG. It is mentioned in Article 148 of the Constitution of India, who is appointed by the President of India for the tenure of 6 years or 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. The current CAG is Rajiv Maharshi. Rajiv Maharshi. Next question is, in accordance with third edition of Global E-Waste Monitor 2020 report, Quantities, Flows and the Circular Economy Potential report, the world dumped how much million tons of e-waste in 2019? Let's see the answer. Option number A is the correct one, that is 53.6 million tons of e-waste has been dumped by whole of the world in 2019. Next question is, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port has started a new shipping service between Kolkata dock system and which country? Let's see the answer. Option A is the correct one, that is Bangladesh. Bangladesh and Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port has started a service between Kolkata and Bangladesh. We have already discussed about the Bangladesh in previous videos, like India shares 4,156 kilometers of border with Bangladesh, and the Prime Minister of Bangladesh is Sheikh Hasina. Next question is, PM Narendra Modi will on 10th July 2020 inaugurate the Asia's largest solar plant in which state? Let's see the answer. Option A is the correct one, that is Madhya Pradesh. So Asia's largest solar plant will be inaugurated in Madhya Pradesh. The CM of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Next question is, who inaugurated the celebrations for the Dharma Chakra Day 2020 organized by the International Buddhist Confederation? Let's check the answer. That is option number B, Ramnath Kovind, the President of India. Next question is, the Indian Railways and Railtel signed an MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, for installation of an IP-based video surveillance system at how many railway stations across the country? Our answer is option number D, that is 6049. 6049 railway stations will get the installation of an IP-based video surveillance system. Next question is, what is the rank of India in 2020 Sustainable Development Index? The answer is option C, that is 117. India ranked at 117. The first is Sweden. As you can see in the extra information, all these things are provided. These are the 17 Sustainable Development Goals defined by the United Nations. These are the basic necessities of every human being, like no poverty, zero hunger, good health, quality education, etc. Next question is, who has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of Rajasthan, replacing incumbent D.B. Gupta in the bureaucratic reshuffle amid COVID-19 pandemic? The answer is option C, that is Sanjeev Swarup. Sanjeev Swarup ji has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of Rajasthan. Next question is, Edelweiss Asset Management Company, a subsidiary of Edelweiss Capital Limited, has decided to bring the second installment of the Bharat Bond ETF with two new series to raise how much fund in July 2020? Let's check the answer. That is option number A, 14,000 crore rupees. The second installment of Bharat Bond ETF would be of 14,000 crore rupees. Next question is, what was the name of India's first social media app launched by the Vice President Venkaiah Naidu? The name of the app is defined in option D, that is Elements app. The post of Vice President is mentioned in the Article 63 of the Constitution of India? Next question is, world's largest 10,000 bed Sardar Patel COVID Care Center is inaugurated in which city? The answer is option number C, that is Delhi. The CM of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal, and he belongs to AAP party. Next question is, the Indian Army is soon going to place emergency orders for cold weather stands for soldiers at the line of actual control. Who is the current Chief of Army Staff? Let's check the answer. That is option number D, Manoj Mukund Narwane. The former Chief of Army Staff was General Bipin Rawat. Currently, he is serving as Chief of Defense Staff. Next question is, ISRO released the picture of closest and biggest moon of Mars named Phobos. Who was the founder of ISRO? Let's check the answer. That is option number B, Vikram Sarabhai. Vikram Sarabhai founded ISRO. It was founded on 15th of August 1969 and headquarters are in Bengaluru. The secretary and ex officio chairman of ISRO is K. Sivan. Next question is, what was the theme of International Day of Cooperatives 2020? Let's check the answer. That is option number B, Cooperatives for Climate Action. Next question is, the administration of Union Territory of Ladakh launched the Ladakh Food Security Scheme. Who is current Lieutenant Governor of Union Territory of Ladakh? Let's check the answer. That is option number D, Radha Krishna Mathur. He is the Lieutenant Governor of Union Territory of Ladakh. As you people may know that Article 370 has been abrogated and the status of Jammu Kashmir state has been changed into two independent union territories, that is Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Next question is, the UK India Business Council signed a memorandum of understanding with which state industrial development corporation? Let's check the answer. That is option number D, Maharashtra. The Maharashtra and the UK India Business Council has signed this memorandum. So these were the today's current affairs. I hope you like this video. Do like, subscribe and share, and join our Telegram channel where you will get the PDFs of every video lecture. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.